welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And that's Micah.
And if you're new to the KittiesMama channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when we upload.
Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's advent calendar a week early.
Yes. And so, if you haven't seen our other videos, where we do other advent calendar videos, it's just where we open up 24 compartments with different little surprises inside. Let's get right on into it. Number 1.
That was Fuego, my guy.
Looks like it's a snow globe, Mickey Mouse. And we also got a Peppa Pig.
Oh my goodness.
Try me, top.
All right, number 2.
Alright,
OTP.
so we're about to open up number 2. This is OTP, One True Pairing, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Candy, don't break it.
It's a box of chocolates with a cat on it that
It
says
says Noah.
Yay.
Take your chocolate.
And I'm gonna go right on into number 3.
This one says
eating.
tweet me. Donald Trump would send you this candy heart.
What?
This one is Jonah.
Oh my gosh, you
It's-
rock! It's
Here
a
you
kid
go.
playing the bass guitar. Wow, that's me. Thank you, parents.
All
Thanks.
right, open up number 4.
This is XOXO number 4, which stands for Kiss Heart, Hug, Kiss Heart.
No, the X is a hug.
Emma, what world are you living in?
No, Emma, that's yours, I'm sure.
What?
Oh my
I
gosh.
thought that's how it was supposed to be. Why is it XOXO then?
What world are you living in?
Emma's,
That's
it has a
stuff.
beautiful, beautiful unicorn on it. You know how Emma loves unicorns.
Yeah, it says you're magical on it. Thank you, parents.
Are you okay? What's this one? What? What is this
Delicious.
one?
What is this one?
I don't know, look at the back of the box.
Okay. Alright, we're about to open up number 5. Snapshed. Snapshed.
Like a snatching a weave.
Yeah.
I'm snatched.
Alright, here we go.
My weave was snatched.
I wonder what's in here.
Oh my gosh, that's a good boy.
Oh my goodness.
Let's
It's a
do
good cat. It's a good kidder boy.
Who's it to? To Micah from Gabe.
Gabe,
Daddy should pan over.
film him.
He's a good guy. I think that's what
Give it a kiss. Aww.
How cute.
Now we're gonna be opening up number 6, which says your goals.
I think it's you are gold, but they're not space.
Oh, what's this?
What is it?
Alright.
Oh.
This is a sloth, and it says, slothfully yours, and this is to me from Santa.
That doesn't.
Thank you, Santa.
Look at it from the top and its head is lopsided.
It's so funny. Look at it. I love it.
This is number 7. Love you. Oh my gosh, it's another one. It's to me from the Easter Bunny. Oh my gosh, yes. It's a sloth. It's a sloth. It says, I sloth you. Doesn't make any sense. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Just loving it.
Alright, we're gonna open up number 8, and it says Bay. I don't even know who says Bay anymore. Alright.
Wow, that's Toad's Bay.
Whoa, what's in here? Oh my goodness, it's a koala from Tooth Fairy. I got a koala from the Tooth Fairy. That's amazing.
I hope St. Patrick can give us one.
Thank you, Tooth Fairy.
And I hope it's a snake.
I hope you have a happy Valentine's,
I want
Tooth
to
Fairy.
Jesus.
We're gonna do number 9 here, which is
Jonah, you got water all over the floor.
nice.
Number
Which
9.
is true love. Here we go. Okay. That one was intense. They're failing me. Here's some baby socks for Micah. Double socks,
No.
Micah. Double socks. Bam. Socks. So now let's move on to what the rest is number 9. We got these socks. Very nice, very nice, very nice.
Who are these?
They are to Emma from the Sock Fairy.
Nice.
We got these socks
Thanks.
with lips on them, and it says, To Jonah from the Sock Fairy. Thank you very much, Sock Fairy. Wonder who these ones could be for. To Noah from the Sock Fairy.
Oh yes, hearts with arrows going through them. Beautiful. I will wear these, I promise. All right, we're gonna open up number 10. This is best day ever from SpongeBob. Whoa.
What is it?
So this is a grand Ferrero Rocher and a $20 Walmart gift card. My oh my.
Noah got a good box this time.
I did. I got a good box. This is my lucky day. Good Noah. My oh my oh my. It's like a gigantic. Alright, so this is a gigantic Ferrero Rocher with 2 Ferrero Rochers inside of it.
I had a little bit of it. It's
I like the smaller ones better.
Yep. The smaller ones are a lot more enjoyable.
Thank you.
So now I'm gonna open up the one that says it's lit on it. It's lit, fam. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's see.
What is it, Sam?
It says Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine.
And it is full of beautiful chocolates.
Oh. Now it is number 12. Gucci.
What does Gucci mean?
Gucci means...
Gucci is a brand.
Gucci is a brand, but it's evolved to mean good. So let's get right
It's
on.
quite weird if you ask me.
Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, it's a Hot Wheels! My God! It's your lucky day! Yeah, get ready to... Oh my gosh, it's 3! Got a good shot of that? Car autograph. Okay, Micah, first one. It's a nice purple one. Second one, it's a nice truck. Third one, which is my personal favorite, it's this yellow car. Very nice. Happy birthday. Merry Halloween. Okay, go ahead, Noah.
All right, we're gonna open up
Wait, where's the
number
candy for me?
13. It says my squad.
Satisfying. I hope some candy cards.
Candy hearts.
All right.
Wait, there's more. Thank you.
We
my
got
good sir.
some tiny conversation hearts, and then we got some ring pops, and everything is flying all over the place because I can't hold everything inside my hands all at once. Got tiny conversation hearts and ring pops. There are no names. I'm gonna take your ring pop.
Okay. Some candy hearts are better than others.
I got him, Noah. Yeah.
But no.
Micah.
My gosh.
How cute.
So now I'm gonna open up number 14, which says I ship it, which means that you ship 2 fictional characters into a relationship.
It can also work for real life though. Just
Yes, but
jokingly.
prefer you don't.
Or it's a reference to sending packages.
Yeah, where you send a package or it's a big ship.
It just means relationship in a short way.
No.
It just gets
That does.
weird whenever
What
you
about pirate
ship
ship?
real people. Like, that's
Like
weird.
nature.
Alright. This is a whole lot of fun
That's
dip.
just- that's
So
what
a
I want.
whole ton of fun dip. They all say to mom on them. They all say to mom.
Are these all mommy?
Mom.
Here you go, mommy. Take your fun dip. This is our mom's like favorite candy. But anyways, the fact that they all say to mom is a joke. So,
Because our mother loves Fun Dip.
so we got some good fun dip.
Fun dip is so good.
Okay,
Yes.
let's open up. Yes, Queen Slay.
Oh my goodness.
Number 15.
Slay.
Yeah.
Aw.
Queen.
It's a bunch of little flutes
I'm a queen.
Flutes.
or whatever.
What are these?
Are those recorders?
Candy flutes.
Flutes.
You might have to-
All right, we're about to open up number 16, which says V Cut. So
I
It
think
says you're V cute.
you're weak. Yeah. Oh
it
my
says
God.
V Cute. Right, that's what it says.
What's in there, Noah? Hey, it's another
Oh,
thing.
it's another gigantic Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher.
Why does Noah
Rocher.
get all the Walmart gift cards? Oh my gosh,
It's to Jonathan.
it's me. And a $20 Walmart gift card. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the next one. Thank you, parents. I'm not gonna eat this right now. I'm gonna save it, but thank you.
So now we're gonna open up number 17, which says on fleek.
Eyebrows on fleck.
It's
perfect.
like perfect.
It's on fleek.
Yes, and it's from a vine.
On fleek.
Oh yes! 4 lip whistles.
Yay!
And kazoos!
Okay,
Yes!
what's a kazoo?
More for the fundraiser.
Look at this broken.
Here, let me set it here. This is a participation award in any fundraiser.
Okay, moving on to number 18, which is fake news.
The best one.
Kind of accidentally hit 19 there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I thought these were Raisinets or something. So here we got
Crowns.
Mom and Dad. Woodsman's sampler. Here you go. It's a little box of chocolates, by the way. Noah, here you go. Here's yours. Why do our parents have to share a tiny one? That's not fair. Here's Emma. Here's me.
So we're gonna open up number 19. Slay
Queen.
on it.
The
Sister
video.
James.
Sisters.
I want to do video with this.
Sister James.
Wow.
This is for Emma, of course, because that's the only name that we haven't pulled out yet.
I love Ferrero Rocher.
By
Thank you,
deduction.
Farron.
Emma does not like them.
I
but
hate them.
guess what? You can buy many more with this Walmart gift card.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So now I'm on number 20, which says I stan you. And stan basically means you're a big fan of something.
Nice. Nice wound.
What?
You gave that
I
a
thought it was
nice
like, I
wound.
stand you. Like, you're so annoying. But I put
I put up with you. Barely. Happy St. Patrick's Day. When is
All
that?
right.
actually?
These are little heart mazes.
Ooh, I always liked those as a child. But I broke them open, got the marble out, and then ate it.
What?
No, I did not do that.
Forbidden snack.
The ball
There's
inside
a
of
ball
there.
and little mazes.
I mean, yeah. Wow, this is so fun. I
My
love.
ball is stuck, and that makes me sad.
Here, let me get it unstuck.
My heart says nothing on it.
It means demons.
Okay.
Your heart and empty.
So we got GOAT, which means greatest of all time. According to our father, this one's really decent.
It's a real sport thing.
1-1.
Oh, today's the Super Bowl.
Date
I
this
think
episode.
the Eagles are gonna win. I think it's the Eagles and Patriots, right? I don't know.
Who knows?
Well, these,
Okay, so we got suckers.
okay. Anyone who tells me that these are not the best candies in the world is wrong.
These are
because-
not the best
They're not the
candies
best
in the
Well,
world.
because they last for so long.
Yeah, so that doesn't make it
Yeah, but then your
like,
teeth fall
you get
apart.
the best value for the money.
What's
This one
number?
says you're fired.
Street fuego, my dude.
Fuego. Fuego alert! Cue the dubstep music.
Go ahead, Noah, open it.
Play 2.
Nice.
Oh, satisfying, my guy.
That was satisfactory.
I had a loss of words. Ooh! We got ourselves some lip balm and
I
some.
love me some E-Rose. So we got emojis. All
Emojis
lip.
are chocolate lip balm. just
Where's
saying.
Emma's? Come on.
There's another emoji lip balm.
There's another emoji.
Oh my gosh. And this one's pumpkin spice. Emma got strawberry. Noah got mint.
Oh,
Wait,
here it is.
there we go.
So these
The
two are,
laughing face emoji.
I actually have this exact one upstairs. I currently have it on my lips. Great.
Look this. Let's get right on into it. Now my mouth is all shiny and good.
This one says Lenny.
What?
I think it's like love you,
New York.
New York.
We'll move.
Alright, straighten it out.
Ooh, that one tastes good. My lips taste good now. Okay, 23, which is rad. That's the only lingo on this entire thing that I use.
Oh,
So-
by the way, we are changing the order because I got skipped one time. So
Sorry.
I say lit ironically.
This is number 23, by the way. There's something soft in it. Oh my gosh.
I will
We
actually
got
use-
a cat pillow. Forever friends.
who's tune?
It is to Micah from Brothers and Sister.
Brothers and Sissy, I guess, which is what he calls it.
That's what he calls it. It's pretty cute.
All right.
This is good.
Now I'm gonna open up the last one, which is number 24, and it says hashtag over. And if you receive this candy heart, well,
You better be scared.
Good luck on your next Valentine's Day.
Uh-oh.
That was not as satisfying.
Why would they give you a candy heart?
Yeah, I was joking.
Bad words. Yeah. My favorite one is you disappoint me. I wanted to do
It looks like this is just a whole ton of candy.
Oh my gosh, Skittles.
Oh my gosh.
It stopped working.
Oh, yes.
Look at all this candy. It's Snickers, M&Ms, and Skittles. So that concludes it for our Valentine's Day advent calendar. Comment down below what other advent calendars you want to see us do, and tell us what you hope to get on Valentine's Day. Click these rectangles to watch our videos, and click this circle to subscribe. See you later, alligator.
Bye, peace out, YouTube. Bye, peace.
See you next time, YouTube.
And have a happy Valentine's Day.